Legend whispers a story from the Wudong Mountains of China nearly 3,000 years ago. It speaks of a wise Taoist monk named Zhang Sanfeng, a master of martial arts known for his immense strength. One day he observed a delicate crane fighting a venomous snake. The snake was aggressive and direct, striking with speed and force. The crane, however, was fluid and calm. It did not meet the snake's attacks with equal power. Instead, it yielded, circled, and used the snake's own momentum against it. The crane's soft circular movements effortlessly neutralized the snake's sharp linear attacks, demonstrating a profound principle of nature. This powerful observation sparked a revelation within Zhang Sanfeng. He realized that true strength did not come from brute force alone, but from yielding, from softness, and from moving in harmony with the natural world. He saw that internal energy, or qi, could be cultivated and directed to overcome external force. This moment of insight is said to be the very seed from which Tai Chi Chuan, or simply Tai Chi, grew. It was a new kind of art, one that integrated the body, the mind, and the spirit. It was not just for fighting, but for healing and for understanding the very flow of life itself. From these ancient misty mountains, the practice of Tai Chi was passed down through generations. It evolved through different family lineages, each adding its own unique flavor and emphasis, creating styles like Yang, Chen, and Wu. For centuries, it was a closely guarded secret, taught only within families or to dedicated disciples. The art was refined, its principles deepened, and its health benefits became legendary. It was considered a treasure, a way to cultivate vitality, mental clarity, and a profound sense of inner peace that could sustain a person through the challenges of a long and fulfilling life. Today, the whispers from that mountaintop have traveled across the globe. Tai Chi is no longer a secret art, but a gift shared with millions. People from all walks of life in bustling cities and quiet towns now practice these same ancient movements. They seek the same balance the monk observed between the crane and the snake. The story of Zhang Sanfeng reminds us that Tai Chi is more than just a series of exercises. It is a living piece of history, a timeless philosophy of balance, and a beautiful, moving meditation that connects us to a deep well of ancient wisdom. So, what exactly is Tai Chi? At first glance, you might see it as a series of slow, graceful, and continuous movements, almost like a dance performed in slow motion. But Tai Chi is far more than what meets the eye. It is often described as meditation in motion, a practice that harmonizes the body and mind. The core idea is to cultivate and balance the body's life force, known as qi. According to traditional Chinese philosophy, a smooth and abundant flow of qi is essential for health, while blockages or imbalances can lead to illness. Tai Chi's movements are designed to promote this healthy flow. The practice integrates three fundamental elements: slow, deliberate movements, deep, rhythmic breathing, and a focused, meditative state of mind. Each posture flows seamlessly into the next, without pause, ensuring the body remains in constant, gentle motion. This continuous flow is crucial. It helps to release physical tension in the muscles and joints, while also calming the chatter of the mind. Unlike high-impact exercises that can strain the body, Tai Chi is built on principles of relaxation and circularity, making it an incredibly gentle, yet profoundly effective form of physical and mental conditioning. People practice Tai Chi today for a vast array of reasons that extend far beyond its martial arts origins. For many, it is a powerful tool for stress reduction. The intense focus required to perform the movements correctly, combined with deep breathing, helps to anchor you in the present moment, melting away anxieties about the past or future. Others are drawn to its proven health benefits, such as improving balance, increasing flexibility, and strengthening muscles. It serves as a gentle form of rehabilitation for those recovering from injury and a preventative practice for those wanting to maintain their vitality as they age. Ultimately, Tai Chi is a holistic practice. It doesn't separate physical health from mental or emotional well-being. The goal is to achieve a state of harmony where the mind is calm, the breath is deep, and the body is relaxed and energized. It is a journey of self-discovery, teaching patience, persistence, and a deeper awareness of your own body. This is why it has become such a beloved practice worldwide. It offers a simple, accessible path to feeling more balanced, centered, and vibrantly alive in every aspect of your life. While Tai Chi is known for its calming qualities, many are surprised to learn of its effectiveness as a tool for weight management. It might not look like a calorie-burning workout, but the science tells a different story. A study published in the Annals of Internal Medicine found that regular Tai Chi practice was as effective as conventional exercise in reducing waist circumference in middle-aged and older adults. Practicing Tai Chi for 1 hour can burn approximately 280 calories, similar to a brisk walk. The slow, controlled movements engage major muscle groups, building lean muscle mass, which in turn boosts your metabolism and helps your body burn more calories, even at rest. Beyond simple calorie burning, Tai Chi supports weight loss in a more holistic way by addressing one of the biggest underlying factors: stress. Chronic stress leads to elevated levels of the hormone cortisol, which is notorious for increasing appetite, promoting cravings for unhealthy foods, and signaling the body to store fat, particularly around the abdomen. The meditative nature of Tai Chi is incredibly effective at lowering cortisol levels. By calming the nervous system and reducing stress, it helps to break the cycle of emotional eating and makes it easier to make healthier food choices, creating a sustainable path to weight loss. The connection between Tai Chi and longevity is perhaps its most profound benefit. The practice is a cornerstone of well-being for many of the world's longest-living populations. One key reason is its remarkable ability to improve balance and prevent falls, which are a leading cause of injury and disability among older adults. The slow, weight-shifting movements strengthen the small, stabilizing muscles around the ankles and knees and improve proprioception, your body's awareness of its position in space. This creates a stable foundation that significantly reduces the risk of a life-altering fall. Furthermore, emerging research suggests that Tai Chi may even promote longevity at a cellular level. Studies have indicated that practices like Tai Chi, which combine moderate exercise with meditation, can positively impact telomeres, the protective caps at the end of our chromosomes that shorten as we age. Longer telomeres are associated with a longer, healthier life. By reducing oxidative stress, lowering inflammation, and promoting a state of deep relaxation, Tai Chi creates an internal environment that supports cellular health and resilience, gently guiding you toward a longer, more vibrant life. Beginning your Tai Chi practice at home is simple and requires no special equipment at all. All you need is a quiet space where you can move freely. Start by standing with your feet about shoulder-width apart, knees slightly bent, and your spine comfortably straight. Relax your shoulders and let your arms hang loosely at your sides. Close your eyes for a moment and take a few deep, slow breaths. Inhale through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. This initial posture is called Wuji, or the standing posture, and it's the foundation of all Tai Chi movements. It helps you quiet your mind and feel your connection to the ground beneath you. Now let's try a simple movement called commencing form. From your standing posture, slowly inhale as you raise both arms in front of you to shoulder height, keeping your elbows bent and palms facing down. Imagine your hands are floating on water, light and effortless. Keep your shoulders relaxed and down, with no tension in your neck. The movement should be initiated from your legs and waist, not just your arms. Feel the gentle energy rising through your body as you lift your arms with calm centeredness. As you exhale, gently lower your arms back to your sides. As your hands descend, bend your knees deeper, sinking your weight down like sitting on a tall stool. The movement should be slow, smooth, and continuous, like a gentle wave rising and falling. Coordinate your breath with the motion. Inhale as you rise, exhale as you sink. Repeat the sequence 5 to 10 times, focusing on fluidity and breath rhythm. Don't worry about perfection. The goal is just to feel the movement. Another fundamental movement is parting the wild horse's mane. From the commencing posture, shift your weight onto your right leg. Step forward with your left foot and slowly bring your right arm up in an arc, palm facing inward, while your left arm extends forward, palm up, as if stroking a horse's mane. The movement is a gentle turn of the waist. Practice this slowly, coordinating your steps with your arm movements. These simple exercises form a wonderful introduction, helping you build balance, coordination, and mindful movement right in your home. Starting your Tai Chi journey is a wonderful gift to yourself, and the most important tip for any beginner is to be patient and kind to your body. Tai Chi is not a competition. There's no need to rush or push yourself into uncomfortable positions. The true benefits come from consistency, not intensity. Aim to practice for just 10 to 15 minutes each day, rather than one long session per week. This regularity helps to build muscle memory and allows the principles of relaxation and mindfulness to integrate more deeply into your daily life. Remember to listen to your body. If a movement causes pain, just ease up or modify it. One of the most beautiful aspects of Tai Chi is its universal accessibility. It is truly an exercise for all ages and fitness levels. A young athlete can practice it to improve focus and coordination, while a person in their 90s can use it to maintain mobility and balance. The movements can be adapted for individuals who need to sit in a chair, making it an inclusive practice for those with physical limitations. Because it is low impact, it is gentle on the joints, making it an ideal choice for people with arthritis or those recovering from surgery. It really meets you wherever you are on your wellness journey. To begin, you can find countless free resources online, including follow-along videos designed specifically for beginners. Look for instructors who emphasize slow, mindful movement and proper breathing. If possible, consider joining a local class in a park or at a community center. Practicing with a group can be incredibly motivating, and a qualified instructor can provide personalized feedback on your form, ensuring you are moving safely and effectively. The community aspect can also add a wonderful social dimension to your practice, connecting you with other like-minded wellness seekers. We encourage you to take that first step. Try the simple movements outlined here. Feel the gentle flow of energy, the calm focus of your mind, and the quiet strength it builds within you. Tai Chi is more than just an exercise. It is a simple yet profound way to invest in your long-term health and well-being. It is a path to reducing stress, improving your physical health, and cultivating a sense of inner peace that will resonate through every part of your life. Embrace the slow, graceful dance of Tai Chi and discover a healthier, more balanced you.